Hello everybody, another devlog here. So in this devlog, what we're trying to do is I worked a little bit alone without sharing anything on the screen. I try to work on the saving loading. I don't know why I'm making another initialize here, but so I'll name this initialization process for short. I don't want to be doing things over and over again for no reason. So we'll see if this is actually needed. And every time we want to see something or to inspect something to test the theory out, we need to be running tests. Initialization. So to run a test, how we have to use the scientific process. So I'll show you something. How you, this is how you want to be as a um, developer. The scientific thinking process is a systematic evidence-based approach to problem solving by applying the core steps observation, hypotheses, experimentation, data collection, and conclusion. You can remove emotion from the personal dilemma to make an objective, highly effective decision in your daily life. Observation. Identify the problem. Recognize a specific issue instead of relying on vague feelings. Instead of thinking, I'm always so exhausted, note I feel most drained on days I don't get at least 6 hours of sleep. Hypotheses. Create a testable, logical explanation or potential solution you want to try. If you go to bed 45 minutes earlier, in my daily energy will be improved within a week. Experimentation. Design a controlled way to test your idea. Keep your variables as consistent as possible. Personal example. Commit to a 10:30 p.m. bedtime from Monday to Friday while keeping your morning routine identical. Data collection measure. Track your results objectively using numbers, charts, or daily journal. Rate your daily energy level on a scale from 1 to 10 and record your actual wake-up times. Analyze and conclude, evaluate, review your data, see if your hypotheses were correct, then refine your approach. So if your routine is already identical, you can be a great scientist because you always think about, so for example, autistic people are really good programmers because it requires the same thinking, and they're also really good at science related stuff because it's also about stability and controlled experimentation. So you have a lot of potential when you're already a person that is always thinking about maximizing the uh, your maximizing everything in a way that is every day is identical almost. And so it's really easy to think in terms of hypothesis formulation, observation, analyses, and conclusions and things like this. When already your life is very like how it's really so easy. I've seen a lot of people being very properly scientific when they're autistic. I have a friend. His daily life. He's also very scientific in his thinking as well, naturally without even doing much. He's really good at also programming and other stuff like this. And his daily life is almost always the same. He has the classic autism symptoms. And autistic people are really smart generally, so you can maybe they have really good deductive thinking. I don't know. So what we're trying to do here, we're trying to see if this is actually useful or useless. What have we made here in the WB info? We have made this one. Does it actually load up things? It probably loads. Is it actually useful now or no? So, and so let's try to disconnect it first. First, we're gonna disconnect this one to see if we can actually save and load things. So right now we cannot save and load. Let's say a cheat, right? Right. I close the game, come back. Wait, it's actually saved. So 1008, we have GDP changed. I come back. It's actually saved. So maybe we actually don't need this thing we're having right now at the moment. Initialize. Probably because on the initialize we already have those. Maybe most of those things already set, right? Yeah. So I wonder how the heck are we actually saving those structure-based variables? I'm really curious of that. Let's do a get. Enum and number. And what's inside of here? Okay, so I guess we have already everything we need inside of here. But this is also not that good, right? Because it's only, as you saw, right? It will only set the things to our, as you can see this thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so if you go see on our BP game instance, 2, 3, all the way up to this one. But then we have more things remaining, right? I mean, look at this. Efficiency of all policies, simulate button of hour. We haven't had those implemented here. We can keep this, I mean, we can keep it, right? If it's making our, it's setting our texts to the thing, we can keep it, and then we can have another for each loop hit everything once again to make sure that things are also set as variables in our thing. But at the same time, I also want to know how are we actually saving everything. So to test that theory, I need to load main menu data, save main menu data. Where's our save main menu data? It's this one. Find references all. So we're gonna look inside of here. Where is it actually? Oh, so every time we change something, we are saving all our data. Right, right. So every time we change something, you save this array again. But so when are you actually gonna do this again? The thing where it's setting or saving our variables, these variables once again. We can print string all these. We can do print string. It's probably not saving properly. So I think we already have a save. I am so confused. Right now, hit everything, sets everything. So let's pretend we change something here. Alright. Is this also saving? It should probably save, right? Now let's see once again if it's accurate. 0, 0, 20. What is these? What are these? I feel like these are wrong. Oh, it's not wrong, it's actually reversed. Yeah, 30, 50, 35, 0, 0, 50, 20, 70, 70, 20, 0, 0. Yeah, but if we change something, it should also save and load. Why did it not save and load anything? Start again. Oh yeah, it does save. Say this one, this one, this. 67. Why was it earlier like everything was deleted? I don't know what that happened. Alright, I guess we now have a better understanding of our project. So we'll try to get an even better understanding of the next project. So thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing and everything. And we'll try to gain a deeper understanding of our projects in the next video.